Alright, what up guys, I'm going to teach you how to wheelie. I'll show you how I learned it, what things you should do, things that are good for practice, and just my overall consensus on this. Now, if you've never wheelied a bike before, do not start on a high power mode. And some people will say, yeah, go on a high power mode, but I personally don't think so. If you're in a high power mode and you're not used to wheeling, you're probably going to panic and slam that throttle, and that's how you loop out. I've only ever looped out learning how to wheelie once, and that's because it was on dirt. I was practicing on pavement for months, and everyone told me to start on the grass. So I tried going on the grass, I hit the throttle like I usually do, and I looped out. I didn't have traction, the rear tire slid when I hit the brake, and I looped, and it hurt. That's because I jumped from street to dirt. Two completely different ground materials. I had dirt tires too. So everyone's saying to start on the grass. If you're going to start on grass, stick to grass. If you're going to do it on the pavement, which I did it, but I recommend just starting on the pavement because you're going to be hitting wheelies in the pavement anyway, right? Get used to the pavement, not get used to the dirt. Let's kickstart the Ultra B. Alright, the first thing you want to do, crank it down into a low mode. I'm going to put it back up into sport because I'm more experienced, but if you are not, go into a lower mode. I recommend putting your brake levers down a little bit. I just like that. It's totally preference, but it helps me more, especially when you're standing up. One thing I've seen a lot of people do is drag their feet. I don't even know if I could do that. Let's try it. Yeah, okay, so they drag their feet. They sit on the bike like this, and they use their feet as like a little seat belt or something like that. And you kind of just like chase the wheelie like this. I don't think it's a good way to learn because further on, when you're actually going to try a wheelie, it does not feel the same. So the way I learned, and the way I think everyone else should learn, is just mash the throttle a little bit. Like that. It's going to feel weird. Wheeling takes months to learn. You're going to keep hitting the throttle, slowly but surely, getting higher up. Once you're at, let's say, a good point, like around there, that's when you're going to start applying the brake. Always have your finger over your rear brake. Alright, so let's try it again. Up, rear brake. Okay, don't do it as hard as I did, but that's probably what it's going to look like your first time. You're going to mash the rear brake. Try not to hit it too hard. There's one thing that I took forever to learn. You don't have to hit the rear brake super hard. So just keep trying that, and eventually you'll get to this point. You'll start chasing the wheelie. Chasing the wheelie is very good. Or power wheelies. It may not look as cool, but it's a great way to learn balance point. Chasing the wheelie is when you're like on the edge of balance point, but you're not further back to where you need to hit your rear brake. And to be honest, I'm still a victim of this. When I'm not locked in, I automatically power wheelie. So this is what a power wheelie looks like. Now you're going to start going higher and higher speeds until you cannot power wheelie anymore. Your bike is eventually going to run out of power. I think this is great to learn. You just got to keep pushing yourself and slowly but surely reaching that balance point. And then you're going to want to slightly tap your rear brake. Now, brake control and throttle control take a while to get used to. I just got my Ultra B. I learned on the Talari XXX, which is considered the wheelie bike. It's literally perfect and easy to wheelie on that bike. But once you get to that point, I'm trying to make this as short as possible. But to get to a wheelie, you just got to keep going. You have to have a bunch of seat time. You need to go at least weekly and practice for, say, an hour every Saturday or every day, however time you have. And not every bike is the same. Wheeling different bikes is kind of hard. All wheeling is just throttle and brake. Just getting used to those two. Let's do a little wheelie here. Okay, I kind of lost it back there, but that's what a wheelie is. Throttling, hit balance point, brake a little bit, hit throttle again, brake a little bit. That's all it is. It's literally not complicated. It's really all in the brain. It's mental stuff. Another thing that would superly help, what kind of word is that? Change your knobbies to Supermotos or dual sport tires. Now, I'm thinking of getting Supermotos for this, but on my Talaria XXX, I had Shinko 241 trail tires. This is like a mix between street and dirt. And I tell you, it felt so much better and easier to wheelie. Infinitely better. Less wobble, more control. It just feels so good. Obviously, those are expensive. So if you absolutely have to, you can learn on dirt tires. That's what I did. I learned on dirt tires. You just got to get used to it. You have to have seat time. That's all I got to say, all right? Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Have a good day.